Hello, it is Hardreset Info channel. Today I will show you how to take a long screenshot on your VIVO Y36. To do that, in the first step we must open application which support the long screenshot. It can be setting. And now we must press volume down and power case together as to make normal screenshot. Click there. And now click long screenshot. We must wait a second. And now we scroll down to add information to our long screenshot and click save. And we have our long screenshot which have lots of more information than our normal screenshot. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.